Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Shut off power and verify 0V with a meter so you can work safely. Next, loosen the compression nut 1 to 2 turns while holding the rubber seal to stop the cable from spinning. This preserves the conductor connections. Then, cut the outer jacket about 1/2 inch from the gland so you can see the conductor insulation. You do this to control strain relief and to expose what needs repair, not to remove more jacket than necessary. Once done removing the old parts, you inspect the gland body and seal for cracks or deformation because those cause leaks or poor strain relief. Fit the replacement rubber seal size to the cable diameter and slide the gland body back over the cable, aligning threads carefully. Make sure the conductor insulation sits flush inside the gland. You want even compression, not pinched insulation. This ensures the gland grips the jacket, preserves conductor integrity, and restores the original strain relief function. You finish by hand tightening the nut, then using a spanner for about 1/4 to 1/2 turn to compress the seal. Over-torquing deforms the rubber and fails. After reassembly, perform insulation and continuity checks, then re-energize the circuit only when readings are safe. If you see water ingress or the cable moves, make sure the seal size matched the jacket diameter and that the seal sat evenly. If not, disassemble and reseat the seal. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.